Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change your name in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. In the My Account section, the first option is Name. This is your Snapchat name. Tap on this to change it. Now tap on the name, remove the previous name and type a new one. After that, tap on Save. That's it. Your Snapchat name is successfully changed. In this way, you can change your name in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.